Hello, my dear students. Hope you all studied revaluation account and journal entry based on it very nicely. Yes, even we are receiving your work also very promptly, and what we liked it very much. Today, in this session, let's start the session with can say a motivational incident. Yes, really it's a very good incident. I just heard, even you people normally busy on this social media, you may have heard this, you may have read this. Really I liked it very much because it's connected with our relations. Yes, relation of a teacher and a student. It's in obviously Gujarati, so let me tell you in the same language, so can have that impact. एक वक्त a teacher for a work going to a bank, एक बैंक में गया था. He was standing in the queue, काम માટે लाइन में उभा था. થોડી વાર થઈ અને એક મેનેજરની ચેમ્બરમાંથી એક વ્યક્તિ બહાર આવ્યો, a young guy, say of 35, 38, આવીને તરત જ ટીચર પાસે જઈને પગે લાગ્યો, પ્રણામ કર્યા, વંદન કર્યા. ટીચર, શિક્ષક, જીવ જ ઓલવેઝ કંઈક સારું ઈચ્છવાનું. તરત જ આશીર્વાદ આપ્યા, બેટા સુખી થાઓ. ટીચર ઓળખાણ પડી? ના, હું આપની પાસે ભણેલો છું. હા, એ તો બરોબર, પણ અત્યારે અહીંયા તો કે હા, હું એ મેનેજર તરીકે કામ કરું છું. ઓકે, સરસ. પણ બેટા મને તારી ઓળખાણ પડી નથી. ટીચર, હું આપને એક ઇન્સિડન્ટ, એક બનાવ કહું જેના કારણે કદાચ આપ મને ઓળખી જશો. હા, બોલ દીકરા. હું જ્યારે આપના ક્લાસમાં હતો એક વખત, જસ્ટ ઇટ વોઝ ઇન ફ્લેશબેક. એક વખત આપના લેક્ચરમાં એક સ્ટુડન્ટે કમ્પ્લેન કરી, મારી રિસ્ટ વોચ ખોવાઈ ગઈ છે. તમે બધાને શાંતિથી રિક્વેસ્ટ કરી. રિસ્ટ વોચ એક વેલ્યુએબલ મેટર ગણાય. કોઈએ પણ એવી રમત કરવી નહીં. કદાચ કોઈએ રમત કરી હોય અથવા ભૂલમાં પણ કદાચ આમની રિસોર્ચ લીધેલી હોય તો પાછી આપી દેવું. અમારામાંથી કોઈ, મતલબ અમે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સમાંથી કોઈએ હાથ ઊંચો કર્યો નહીં, કોઈ આગળ આવ્યું નહીં કે હા ટીચર મેં આ રમત કરી હતી. ફાઇનલી તમે બધાને હાથ ઊંચા કરી, આંખ બંધ કરી અને ઉભા રહેવાનું કહ્યું અને કહ્યું કે હું તમારા બધાના બેગ અને પોકેટ ચેક કરું છું, ખિસ્સા ચેક કરું છું. કદાચ કોઈ લીધી હશે તો મળી જશે. અમે બધા આંખ બંધ કરીને ઉભા રહ્યા. આ એક પછી એક બધા વિદ્યાર્થીઓના ખિસ્સા ચેક કર્યા અને મારા ખિસ્સામાંથી એ રિસ્ટવોચ નીકળી. હા ટીચર, મારા ખિસ્સામાંથી એ રિસ્ટવોચ નીકળી. હું ડરી ગયો હતો કે હમણાં બધા વચ્ચે મને કદાચ ચોર કહીને મારું અપમાન થશે. બધા વચ્ચે મારી આ જે રમત ખુલ્લી પડી જશે, કદાચ પ્રિન્સિપલ પાસે લઈ જશો, કદાચ મારા પેરેન્ટ્સને બોલાવશો અને બહુ સ્ટ્રિક્ટ એક્શન લેવાશે. આઈ વોઝ અબાઉટ ટુ ક્રાય, રડવાની તૈયારીમાં હતો. બટ સરપ્રાઈઝ, તમે એવું કંઈ કર્યું નહીં. 2 મિનિટ પછી તમે બધાને કીધું, ચલો બાળકો, આંખો ખોલી નાખો, તમારી રિસવોચ મળી ગઈ છે. અને જે બાળકની રિસવોચ હતી એ ખુશ થઈ ગયો, તમે એને રિસવોચ આપી દીધી. હું રાહ જોતો રહ્યો, પણ તમે કંઈ જ બોલ્યા નહીં, કંઈ જ એક્શન લીધી નહીં. અને ત્યારે જ મેં નક્કી કર્યું કે આવા રોજે રોજ વંદન કરવાનું મન થાય, પરમ વંદનીય એવા ગુરુ હોય તો એના શિષ્ય તરીકે હવે કોઈ દિવસ હું કાંઈ જ ખોટું નહીં કરું, કોઈને કરવા પણ નહીં દઉં, અને ભણી ગણીને ખૂબ આગળ વધીશ. અને પરિણામે મારી રોજની ભણવાની એક પ્રેરણા બની ગયા તમે. હું આગળ વધ્યો અને ફાઇનલી અત્યારે આ ઉંમરમાં હું આટલી મોટી બેંકમાં મેનેજર બની ગયો છું. જે કંઈ પણ છે એ આપના કારણે જ છે. અગેન એ પગે લાગ્યો. There were tears in his eyes. આંખમાં આંસુ હતા, પણ કદાચ ખુશીના આંસુ હતા. હવે વારો હતો ટીચરનો. એને પ્રેમથી વાત કરી, દીકરા, તે મને એમ કીધું કે મારા લેક્ચરમાં, મારા પીરિયડમાં એક રિસ્ટવોચ ખોવાઈ ગઈ હતી. તે મને ઇન્સિડન્ટ યાદ અપાવ્યો, મને યાદ આવી ગયું બધું, પણ મને એ યાદ નથી. હા, મને યાદ છે, મેં બધા બાળકોને, બધા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને આંખ બંધ કરાવીને ઊભા રાખ્યા હતા. મને એ પણ યાદ છે કે રિસ્ટવોચ મળી ગઈ હતી, પણ ખરેખર મને એ યાદ નથી, મને ખબર નથી કે વિદ્યાર્થી કોણ હતો. એ મને ખબર જ નથી. કારણ કે તમે જ્યારે આંખ બંધ કરીને ઊભા હતા, ત્યારે હું પણ આંખ બંધ કરી ને બધાના ખિસ્સા તપાસતો હતો. વિચારો, જ્યારે ગુરુ પણ આ લેવલના હોય કે જેને પોતાના વિદ્યાર્થીની નબળી કડી, વીક પોઈન્ટ, વીકનેસ બહાર પાડવામાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ના હોય, પણ એની વીકનેસ સુધારવામાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હોય, ત્યારે શિષ્યો કયા લેવલે પહોંચી શકે? Really, today our society needs very much, badly needed of this kind of gurus. Yes, આવા ઘણા બનાવો બનતા હશે in practical, in real life also, કે જે કદાચ બહાર નહીં આવતા હોય. તો મિત્રો, friends, do remember, try to be an inspirational one for someone. For that, there is no need કે તમે કોઈ ટીચર બનો. There is no need કે તમે શિક્ષક બનો. ટીચર સ્કૂલમાં ભણાવે એ ટીચર, that is not a definition of teacher. The person who teaches us something is a teacher. And a good teacher, what I personally believe, a good teacher should always be a student. એને ડેઈલી કંઈક નવું શીખવાની ઈચ્છા હોવી જોઈએ. And that's what we all are trying. We are also learning something from you people, from the society. And that's why we are always trying to give our best. With this, I hope that you also going to reach at a particular level after, say, very few years. The incident that was of 35-38 years. Let me wish that you should reach at that level at, say, 28 years. Nothing new. Last, not of the lecture, we are going to start this, but Again, a good news, I can say. Today only I heard that one of the nationalized bank, country's leading bank, offered 1 CR, that is 1 crore salary, obviously per month, for CFO, Chief Financial Officer. For the post of CFO, they offered 1 CR, 1 crore ની salary offer કરે છે. હવે, you are in 12th. After say 5, 7, 8, 10 years, if you say after 15 years, if you reach to that level, because we are talking about CFO, not of clerk or officer, so it takes time. કદાચ 15 વર્ષ પછી તમે કદાચ ઈશ્વર કરીને લેવલે પહોંચો. And imagine the normal rate of inflation is say 6-7%. तो जे लेवले increase થાય, compounding, so maybe possible the monthly salary will be say 2 CR or 2.5 CR or even 3 or 4 CR. It may be a dream and can come true. So it depends on we people at present, and afterwards you people. Yes, atyare we, because what we have to teach must be the perfect one, and what you are going to learn naturally should be the perfect one. So with that motto, with that dream, let's start question number 11 today. I hope you are with the proper concepts. You are with the proper concepts of revaluation account and journal entries. In this question, we are going to do revaluation account, but not the journal entries. We are going to do something new, that is balance sheet. Let's start with the question. I'm just reading the question. You go through the question properly with me, and then continuing with the answer. Manju, Prabha and Meena are the partners of a partnership firm. The P&L ratio is 5:3:2. Take care, always consider old ratio only. They want to change the P&L ratio to 3:2:1. They are not concerned with this information. Therefore, they decided to revalue the assets and liabilities of the firm. From the following information, prepare revaluation account and balance sheet after revaluation. Revaluation account and balance sheet after revaluation. Now, first of all, you know me very well. Yes, I think some of you got the topic. What is it? In this question, they told you to prepare 2 formats: revaluation account, balance sheet. But I suggest you should prepare journal entries also. Yes, you should prepare journal entries also. To do more and more practice of it, it's always advisable. Normal balance sheet is given. I'm not reading the entire balance sheet, just wasting of time. But in balance sheet, capital as well as current account, both the matters are given. So indirectly we can say this is a kind of fixed capital method. Try to revise chapter 1. Whenever current account is given, your capital is always fixed. So here capital of all 3 partners given, as well as current account balance is also given to you. Let's go through the adjustments. The value of land building is to be increased by 25%. You start doing tick marks, so we can save the time. Value of land and building is to be increased by 25%. So on the asset side, land building, adjustment number 1. Value of furniture is to be reduced by 10%. Decreased. So again on the asset side, In furniture, adjustment number 2. Value of machinery is to be kept at 80%. Again, I said 3 number. Yeah, with machinery. The book value of closing stock is 5,000 more than its market value. One of the best adjustment. The book value of closing stock is 5,000 more than its market value. At present, just do tick marks. Don't think more. Okay, so closing stock. For the adjustment, total amount of 2,500 is to be kept for bad debt reserve. Now here, for this topic, we are doing this question. Yes. For the adjustment, closing stock, a very good adjustment, and bad debt reserve. Why? Because in previous question, only debtors given to you. In this question, debtors as well as bad debt reserve is also given. And in adjustment also bad debt reserve is there. Don't think much. I'll teach. We'll do it just now. Don't worry. At present, just do the tick mark. What to do about bad debt reserve, what to do about bad debt reserve adjustment. Don't use your mind at present. 6. An amount of 3,000 among the creditors now not to be paid. In creditors, naturally on the liability side, adjustment number 6. And the last one, interest on bank loan for last 3 months is outstanding. So again, bank loan always the liability. So on the liability side, in bank loan, do the tick mark adjustment number 7. Is it okay? Clear? Just go through the question again. Go through the question again. Check your tick marks. Check your tick marks. And just be ready. Draw the formats. Yes, revaluation account and balance sheet. Over here, due to lack of place, the scarcity, I just wrote the balance sheet as a title. You must write balance sheet is on the date given to you. Here, balance sheet is on 31/3/2017 after revaluation. Is it okay? Fatapat, just draw the format very quickly. Now, let's start with the question, solving the question rather, from the very beginning. पहले चीज, please do take care. અત્યારથી જ આ એકદમ પરફેક્ટ શીખતા જજો. Because 80% of this will be there in admission and retirement. In admission and retirement. Okay? Starting from liability side. Go through the question also. Capital. Okay? Because capital is fixed, we are not supposed to touch, means we are not supposed to change anything over here. Capital, Manju, Prabha and Meena. You are supposed to write the entire name. Let me write also. Manju, Prabha and Meena. The amount is 1,50,000, 1,50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. Overall total 2,20,000. Is it clear? Sure. Next, current account. As there is no adjustment, we are not going to do anything in this. Current account. Again the title. Again Manju. Now take care. Here we are not going to write all three names at present. Manju, the amount is 10,000. Then leave a line. Leave a line blank. Leave a line blank. Why is it so? Because the profit or loss of revaluation account you have to transfer to current account. When current account is to be prepared. Okay? When current account is there, profit or loss of revaluation is to be transferred over here. So one line for profit or loss. Actually both together cannot be possible. Either we are in profit or we are in loss. So leave one line. We are going to write the total or hour. Okay? Then Prabha, 20,000. Again one line. And then Meena. The amount is 9,000. Again one line. Is that clear? We are leaving this line for profit or loss. Then bank loan. The amount is 30,000 and adjustment is there. So it must be inner column. Okay? What is the adjustment? They said 3 months interest is outstanding. 3 months interest. Outstanding always plus. So plus outstanding interest. Now take care. 12% is the rate given. On 30,000, yes, use calculator. On 30,000, 12%. 3,600 for 3 months. That comes to 900 rupees. $30,900 is the total. Is there any problem? Sure. Now take care. Outstanding interest. Outstanding interest. Opposite entry. Opposite means what? Second entry. This is first entry of adjustment. Second entry must be revaluation account. What the rule is? What is the rule? From balance sheet to revaluation. From balance sheet to revaluation. What is the rule? Yes plus straight minus cross. Okay? Here plus straight. Straight means obviously on debit side. Clear? So here 2 outstanding interest. You can write outstanding interest on loan also. Is that clear? Good. Next, creditors. Creditors. The amount is 40,000 and an adjustment is there. What they said in adjustment? They said amount of 3,000 among the creditors is now not to be paid. So less not payable. 3,000. Overall 37,000. Is it okay? Second effect, here it is minus, cross, cross. So by creditors, take care. Sometimes what the students do, they are writing outer columns amount. No. The change you are supposed to write in revaluation. Try to go through the meaning. Go through that lecture of meaning. Yes, I told you that we are not going to write the revalued amount, but we are going to write increase or decrease. Here it is increased 900. Here it is decreased 3,000. So we are going to write the changing amount, not changed amount. Is that clear? And the last one, bills payable. Bills payable. As there is no adjustment, directly 10,000 should be in outer column. And as there is no adjustment, no. Second effect. Here we end the liability side. You just go through it because on asset side we have so many adjustments. So if you clear your liability side very nicely, becomes an easy task for you. Ready? Let's start with asset side. Here, land and building, the first one. The amount is 1 lakh. The amount is 1 lakh. They say increased by 25% plus increased 25,000. Obviously, very simple total 1,25,000. Okay? Here we did plus. Should be on the same side. It is our benefit. So by what is the amount? 25,000. Is there any problem? Next, machinery. 50,000. 50,000 is the amount. And they said value of machinery is to be kept at 80%. 80%. What does it mean? You have to reduce the 20%. They say value of machinery is to be kept 80%. So reduce. Whenever fixed assets reduce, you can say depreciation. Okay? 20% of 50,000. Use your calculator. Is it okay? Asset decreasing. Cross. Cross means debit. 2. You can write depreciation on machinery. You can write to machine also. $10,000. Is it okay? Yeah, I know that. It's very easy. It's very easy. But if you are overconfident, then the problem starts. I saw such papers. Everything is perfect. In one particular adjustment, they wrote outer columns amount. By mistake, obviously. But how such mistake happened? No conceptual problem, because everywhere, suppose here the student wrote 900. Here, the student wrote 3,000. Here, the student wrote 25,000. Here, they wrote 40,000. How is it possible? Just and just due to overconfidence. Take care. You are not supposed to commit such kind of mistakes. Next one, furniture, 30,000. Furniture, $30,000, and they said value of furniture is to be reduced by 10%. Again, you can write the same depreciation 10%. So 3,000 and 27,000 is the overall answer. 3,000 will reduced minus cross. So to furniture, that is 3,000. Is there any problem? Sure. Now we are having a very good adjustment. So check it. If you have any doubt, queries? Sure. Good, very good. Next one is investment, on which there is no adjustment. Investment, as there is no adjustment, we are supposed to write the amount directly. The amount is 50,000. Okay. Next one, closing stock, one of the best adjustment. Closing stock. Here the amount is 40,000. First of all, do write the amount. Now, check the adjustment. What they say? Book value of closing stock. Book value of closing stock is 5,000 more. 5,000 more than its market value. Now, an important topic. Which one is this? Book value or market value? Which one is this? Okay, over here let me ask. In land and building, which one is this and this? You have two values. One already given to you. Another which you find it out by adding or obviously reducing. Here we add, here we reduce, like that. It's an important one. Always take care. Whatever the value given to you, it is in the book. So known as book value. This is book value. Okay? This is book value. What about this? It is market value. Can say present value. Again, go through the theory lecture. That's why we are uploading these lectures on YouTube. So you can go through it again and again. Once, twice, thrice, if you need. But તમને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ that it is our need. We are not going to insist. અમે આગ્રહ નહીં કરીએ. ના જો ને જો. No. You must understand that market value, present values are brought somewhere. We heard these words. Where? जो याद ना होए. Go through that lectures. Okay? Again on the main topic. So this 50,000, this 30,000, this 40,000, this all are book values given to you. And what they said in adjustment, that book value is 5,000 more than the market value. So can I say we have to deduct it less decrease, reduce you can write 5,000 and 35,000 should be in outer column. Because minus, cross, again debit to stop 5,000. Very quickly, let's go through it again. Here this 40,000 is book value. And they say this is 5,000 more. This 40,000 is itself 5,000 more. So what the actual value? Should be 35,000. Then and then we can say that if actual value is 35,000 and this one is 40,000, we can use these words. This is 5,000 more. Okay? A very good adjustment. Why? Because if you have listened, if you have heard, if you have read only the word more, then you may add it. તમે પ્લસ કરી નાખશો. You get 45,000 over here. You get 45,000 over here. Listen carefully. મજા આવશે. મજા આવશે. If you committed such mistake, you get 45 over here. સમજાય છે? Okay. Now here we did 5,000 plus. Plus means you are going to write on this side, credit side. બરાબર? અહીંયા નહીં જ લખો. You are not supposed to write. Instead of debit, if you are writing on credit side, rectification of error or bank reconciliation statement, try to remember the rules. Wrong side, correct amount. Yes. Wrong side, correct amount. Double on right side, double amount. But that is when we are rectifying. Actually, the impact is doubled. So what will happen? તમારો profit 10,000 વધારે આવશે. Because a 5,000 expense તમે ઓછો કરો છો, so profit increased. અને આ 5,000 લખો છો, which is not there, so again profit increased. 10,000 profit, listen carefully, 10,000 profit વધારે આવશે, which you are distributing among the partners. Then you are writing over here. So here also 10,000 more. The total of liability side will be 10,000 more than the actual. And here, instead of 35, you write 45. So 10,000 more. Net, your balance sheet will get tallied. Yes. In exams also, you are having a superb smile on your face. Yes. Balance sheet will get tallied. Secure 8 out of 8. Because we are talking about admission and retirement. But unfortunately, from this you started committing mistake. અહીંયા mistake છે because you write over here profit mistake છે. Then instead of this you are supposed to prepare current account in that chapter and you are transferring to current account. So current account is wrong. Then the balance of current account you are supposed to transfer in balance sheet. So again balance sheet also wrong. So net what will happen? This is wrong, current account wrong, balance sheet is wrong, and you feel everything is correct, but you are also wrong. You are expecting 8 marks. We may give you 5, 6, all depends on the presentation and the remaining content. But due to a small mistake of more or less, will cut your 2-3 important marks. So, what I want to suggest, have a habit. એક વખત ટેવ પાડશો ને, so in this kind of adjustments, you may develop a sixth sense. Andar થી જ કંઈક થશે. That no, this is an important one. So you are going to take extreme care while solving such adjustment. So one of the best adjustment. Do take care. Do solve this kind of adjustment. Once, twice, 4 times. Clear? That's great. Good. So is there any problem with this adjustment? Stroke? Good. That's good. No problem. Let's move further. Daters. Again, very important adjustment. Daters. Daters, the amount is, here it is 25,000. Now again listen carefully. 25,000 is the amount. Yes. But that result already given in the question. Rupees 1,000. But that result given in the question 1,000. What they say? Total amount 2,500 is to be kept as but that result. 2,500. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to write the new value less but that result 2,500 in outer column 22,500. You are supposed to write the new value. Okay? So they say 2,500 is needed. So we deduct 2,500. You say what's wrong? Means how you can say this is tough? Now take care. Do concentrate. Minus, so debit. Most important. 2. But that result. 2. But that result. The amount is already given in the question. How much? 1,000. We wrote 2,500. 1,500. Why? Because we deduct 2,500. But 1,000 was already there. 1,000 was already there. So how much more we deduct? 1,000 was already there. Now instead of 1,000 we write 2,500. So how much additional we deduct? That is 1,500. So we make change of 1,500 only. Okay? In this adjustment, maximum students are committing mistakes. But let me give you a trick. આ સમજાણું તમને? નહીં? If yes, thumbs up for you. Don't drink it, but it's an achievement. નથી સમજાણું? Okay. No, thumbs down is not there. Don't worry. If you are not getting the concept clearly, very simple trick. Follow outer column amount. Follow the outer column amount. If it is increased, same side. Decreased, opposite side. And what amount? The amount of change. Here is the question you see. In question I am saying 25,000 minus 1,000. So in outer column, in the question they give 24,000. Now they told us to keep 2,500. To keep 2,500 instead of 1,000. We are obeying the instruction. Yes, we are obeying the instruction, and we keep 2,500. After keeping 2,500, we secure 22,500. That is very simple. Now you check the difference. In question it is given 24,000. Yes, outer column I am talking about. In our answer it is 22,500. Difference of 24,000 and 22,500. How much? 1,500. And it was 24,000. It is 22,500. So reduced and reduced. How much? 1,500. Okay. So by taking bad debt reserve into consideration, you can check 2,500 and the old one 1,000. So net change is 1,500. Or you can check outer column amount 24,000 and 22,500. Net change is 1,500. Is it clear? By any way, but you have to solve it perfectly, because any one mistake, as I said so many times, see, one mistake will not cost much, but first mistake will cost much. તમારી પહેલી મિસ્ટેક છે એ તમારા બહુ બધા માર્ક્સ કટ કરાવે છે. Yes, so don't commit even a single mistake. Okay, here it is, debtors we completed. Then okay, now it's almost covered. Bills receivable and cash balance. Bills receivable. The amount given to you, no adjustments, so directly the same amount, 5,000, and cash balance. How much? 40,000. Here we ends the balance sheet. Here we ends the balance sheet. Means we record all the items of balance sheet. Again, very quickly, starting from liability side, one by one, we completed all the items. Don't skip anyone. Then come to the asset side. One by one. Whatever the changes they suggest, we did it. We wrote this. Second effect, same time. Times baki nahi rakha. Here we end with the balance sheet. Yes, I am using the word balance sheet because there are chances that some of the adjustment may not be connected with the balance sheet. Let's check it very quickly. First adjustment, land building, it's already there. Furniture, here it is. Machinery, here it is. Closing stock, a good adjustment we did. Fifth, bad debt reserve, again we already completed. 3,000 for the creditors, we already did it, yes, over here. And interest on bank loan. So in this question, we do not have any of the topic which is not related with balance sheet. Is that okay? Now at the end, what to do? Very simple. Do the totals. Over here, credit side total is bigger. You can check it. So the total is, do one thing. Let's do the total in last line only instead of doing it in between. So we can have enough space to write profit. The total is very simple. You can do orally also. 28,000. The same total, 28,000. Okay? Now the difference. Find out the difference by using calculator properly. Here the difference should be distributed in 5:3:2. The total difference you are having 7,600. So 2 current account, profit, the partner's name, Manju, Prabha and Meena. Total difference is 7,600. By distributing in 5:3:2, we receive 3,800. Then it is 3 by 10, so 2,280. And then it is 2 by 10, 2,280. And 2 by 10, 1,520. Total overall 7,600. 7,600 distributed in the ratio. Any problem? Now, transferring this over here, we already leave line for that. So, plus profit $3,800. Total 13,800. Plus profit 2,280. Is it okay? Total 22,280. And here it is 1,520. That is of profit. So total 10,520. Check the effect of profit properly. I don't think so. I should ask, is it okay? It must be, because that's really very easy. 13,800, 22,280 and 10,520. Overall, now nothing new. So the total of balance sheet should be, you do it by your own. What should be? Come on, do it. Use your calculator. Please don't be overconfident by doing it orally. Use calculator properly, because you can cut even totaling, the marks of totaling mistake also. It is 3,44,500. Naturally, the same must be. Check twice. Check twice. If you have any doubt, any question, any queries in any of the topic, I'm not saying it's your problem. We are always there with you. But after revising the lecture once, twice, you can ask me the question. Because so many times when you are calling me and asking a question, instantly I am realizing that you are not revising the lecture. ऐसे ही आप लोग पूछ लेते हैं, because you feel that to do the revision is wastage of time. Actually, it's not. What you people may feel, एक पॉइंट या दो पॉइंट के लिए पूरा लेक्चर क्यों रिवाइज करना है? But actually, you should watch this video lecture with that patience, with that concentration, that you must know that at what point, in which point, at what stage we are having some doubt. At the later stage, at the middle stage, at the initial stage. Suppose this lecture is of 1 hour and you know that we are having the problem of closing stock or bad debt reserve. Then there is no need for you to revise the lecture from the first minute. Directly, you can come to say 30-35 minutes and onwards for 10 minutes you are supposed to watch. By watching 10 minutes again, you can solve the problem by your own. Really, I feel strange when you are depending on us. So again, I am suggesting, I am recommending to do a proper revision. Then and then, do ask me. If still you are not getting the topic clear. Always with you, but condition applied. Okay? Go through it once. Na samjhai, you are always welcome. but I wish कि तुमने समझाया जी. Specifically again I am saying closing stroke and daters. These two adjustments are really very good. And we did this with balance sheet. In the initial phase, I told you to do the journal entry of this question. To do the journal entry of this question. So please do it, the journal entry too. And naturally, we are expecting, yes, we are expecting solution of illustration also. So do illustration by your own. If you have any problem in even the illustration, always ready to solve the doubts. At last, very important concept, because in admission and retirement 80% of the work you are going to do with the same pattern. Let me give you that clarification. This will remain 100% same, more than 100% same in admission, in retirement. This 100% same. Okay? From this topic 100% same. Loan, creditors 100% same. Only the difference is of current account. In admission and retirement, both the chapters, this we are not going to write in this way. We are going to prepare a current account. Yes, like we were preparing in chapter 1. We are going to prepare current account. We are going to write balance of partners in the respective column. Then we are going to write profit. Then we will do the total. And then we transferred direct. We got the total like this. And directly we are transferring that amount over here. So the change of this question and of chapter 5 or 6 is only the writing pattern of current account. Remaining entire one will remain same. So if you understand this question properly, if you do it in the best possible way, really chapter 5, chapter 6 becomes very easy for you. Yeah, new topics are there of goodwill and investment fluctuation fund, workman accident compensation fund. But what I wanted to say, you are not supposed to learn the entire chapter. 80-90% chapter will remain same like this. Only add on 10% you have to go through. So you can work for that 10% and get the 100% marks. Okay. I'm sure you are going to solve illustration also. Not only that, I personally wish everyone must revise this lecture once. Specifically how to enter all these things in balance sheet. Okay. So next time with the last question, because this is question 11, we already solved question 12, journal entries. Only 2 questions left, 13 and 14. I am saying last question. No, we'll do both the question. Okay, we'll do 13 also, we will do 14 also, because in question 13 again one very good topic is there. We'll solve it out, don't worry. But if you know this very well, it becomes very easy for me as well as for you to understand both the questions. So till then, do revise, take care of yourself and be happy.